If you dey look me koro and you dey hear me whine, I be say you tanda gidigba on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV, on top Star Times channel 195. We dey talk am say every weekday from 10 go reach 11 we don turn Christmas. Sake of say all the interesting topic inside Nigerian political boxing ring, we dey carry am come drop am for here so that you sef go wear your glove, chook hand for inside the matter, hit am well so that those wey the matter concern go hear us well as Nigerians and take the necessary action so that we go move our country forward. My name na Ezugo Chukwudi, and as usual I no dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother wey sabi well as take concern politics matter as e dey hot.
Good morning, our viewers, and welcome to today's edition of As E Dey Hot. Yes, today's edition will go different from the regulars. We go give the same level of tempo we dey give now on top of this program. Issues where we say we dey sizzling, issues where they of national interest, issues we say na go like do it, na go like chook mouth inside there, and then when we drop down the issue, na go know what in the issue is about. I will also open our phone line for now to do it, for now to chook mouth when the time reach, and my name never still change. My name now Kubi, and this now As E Dey Hot.
Sharply, everybody knows say for inside Naija this week, everything when they carry first get to do with the ministerial screening. That now why since Monday we don't carry our ear put for down. They hear all the things when they happen for inside the red chamber, that is the House of Senate. Yesterday make am day 2 when they say the ministerial nominees waiting for the first batch of 21 names when Oga Presido send go, then waka enter inside before our distinguished senators when we elect to represent us to answer some kind question. On day 1, 10 people appear before our distinguished senators and all of them answer their mama name. Yesterday, there's supposed to be 11 people when go answer, but sake of say, we need to ask them questions where and get all the information from them and some other kind of things when can happen. We can't be like say, we not do the complete 11, but our senators them, they talk say today, they go continue the market, but we don't dey hear say some kind of other information when they come up from the red chamber, they show say, it be like say we go need some more time for them to complete the screening. Why everybody here they stand up now basically because of somebody when they inside that list, and no other than the former governor of Rivers State, Chibuike Rotimi Amechi. Plenty people they talk say, he get case to answer, serious case, because even for the house, the governor they put plenty fire for him behind, and even for the House of Senate integrity group they don't type plenty letter. When we say the pages, they talk say you go need plenty water to they move them of all the things we don't do, they carry and put for him neck. But we trust our senators, them say they go do the right thing to move this our country forward. It gets one important gist when we come out yesterday. Out of all the names when Oga Presido don't send, based on say it be like say we don't talk say since our constitution say every state must get representative, in don't withdraw one person. And he withdraw the name of the former deputy governor of Niger State, Ibeto, call replace him with Oga Abubakar Buhari. Then talk say Oga Abubakar Buhari and Ibeto from the record come from Niger State. It go come be like say these two states get this state get 2 people inside, and Oga Presido come settle for the very best out of all of them.
Yes, Chukwudi, going back to the issue of the ministerial screening. So far, as you talk, we don't see 18 people where they don't do it, where they don't screen. 10 day first day, 8 yesterday, and then the process will continue today. And but it can't be say the major interest of Nigerians right about now, after we don't see some major individuals, some major characters do it don't come before the Senate and the Red Chamber to answer questions where they ask them. You got to be like say, it still gets one person just as you talk. Where everybody, in fact, these are not say everybody. These are not all Nigerians. They wait when they will call that person onto onto the podium. Say, you self can't answer your own question. Make you throw your questions based on the level of allegations that they don't put on top of your head. You get one, and this is what I see yesterday. One caption what I see yesterday. Now all these social media caption, and if you see the faces of our senators there, you gotta be like say they can't caption and say Buhari. I say Buhari. Amechi, we don't wait for you. We don't type your questions down. We don't set the exams for you. Oh yeah. Enter where you like. If you like, make it take 2 days, 5 days to come here. These questions will not change. We'll ask you all these questions. We still they wait seriously. You just be like saying, I ain't be the major person where everybody they anticipate to appear so that they will feel question them. Well, the process, now due process, and it's interesting say at least say the senators at this point in time they in the forehand, because I saw some of the screening yesterday and I was so impressed myself as a Nigerian, because this is no longer that era when the person will just appear before you. Maybe because of some other political party platform, you just say, okay, you waka. But we saw what they call due screening yesterday. We saw the likes of the former governor of Lagos State, Babatunde Raji Fashola, when they screen them for almost more than 1 hour. We just stand, they answer questions from that. They throw the question from different angles. In they catch them, that they catch them. We also saw the MD of NNPC, Oga Kachuku, when they ask some questions. In fact, we see different people. We see Mrs. Kemi Adiosun, when they ask them questions, when they ask Obunga questions, and every other person will appear. I mean, that's to tell you, say yes, the process, it did the way we feel say it's supposed to.
Very true. Very, very true. And just as we talked earlier when the show starts, we don't get confirmation, say, the screening for former governor of Rivers State, Chibuike Rotimi Amechi. Now, until next week, Tuesday, 20th of October, he go fit come before the Senate to answer his own questions. They talk say this one to allow the Senate Committee on Ethics, Privileges and Public Petitions, say make them go through all the petitions when we say people carry put on top of the neck of Rotimi Amechi. Oga Sam Anyanwu, when the senator, na him talk say say they go need more time because the pages like we talk, the thing plenty where and the handwriting when they use right arm, the thing small so that it go contain all the thing when they talk say him do. So he asks for more time, say they give him and the committee people extra time to take do am. And based on the way when everything don't go now, it means say 18 of the 21 ministerial nominees when they the first batch when Oga Presido send, and if we come out Oga Ibeto, it go remain 20. 18 out of these 20 people, they don't face screening, and they don't also confirm these people. That is to say, as he be now, Oga Presido, if he carry any office when he like, give them, make them begin, they do. Yesterday, we given the names of the first 10 people. Today, quickly, we will just quickly reel out the names of the other 8 people when don't get their own screening and confirmation also. Former governor of Lagos State, Babatunde Raji Fashola, Lagos. Oga of NNPC, Emmanuel Ibe Kachiku, Delta. Abubakar Malami, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Kebbi. Chris Nwabweze Ngige from Anambra. Aisha Jumai Al-Hassan from Taraba. Solomon Dalong from Plateau. Kemi Adeosun from Ogun, and Hadi Siriki from Katsina State. So the way when they now, these 18 people, they don't qualify for Oga Presido to wake up tomorrow to talk, say, yes, take this office, go do your work, so that we go move this our country forward. But Nkubi, get one interesting thing when play out yesterday for the House of Senate. That one, now something when we say Nigerians, our body can't do us somehow. Former governor of Akwa Ibom State, action governor, I must add that one, action governor, the governor
we build first class hospital.
Not be first class, anybody, world class and international great standard hospital.
Where you can't get slight small injury, can't fly himself, go abroad. When he get first class, A class, either class hospital for him backyard. Go on with the here.
Wetin concern this one when you talk with the one when I...
No, we dey try, na the man wey we dey... Na you mention his name.
But why you can't go that place? No, why you go that place? I say person build first class hospital. Why you no end up for there? Why you can't go say...
na continuation, na like part 2
which
of the...
Which continuation? Are you dey talk my talk? Allow me to talk my talk now.
Na like the part 2 of the hospital wey you build, na I give you. The part 2 na be this.
You don't say on Monday...
First class hospital. I can't say first class hospital. You can't get side injury. You can't fly abroad. Can't go attend one kind of local hospital for abroad there. Meanwhile, first class hospital there here. Now we not talk. Now like continuation. Continue.
Why you go talk that kind of talk? Enter waiting and they talk. Now not be me they talk my talk. Allow me to, you know where they carry talk go. I say person build first class hospital, make I continue to talk. You can't talk say in get small this thing, in contract go abroad. I don't want to consign this thing when I want to talk now.
Oh John Chukwudi, talk na talk. Na talk they bring talk. You mention name.
Talk they bring talk now because na my talk. If na your own, you no go agree.
You mentioned him. We can't remind ourselves, so this person, some of the things we don't do, we don't achieve. Now to say in build hospital. We can also
why you don't leave am for saying build hospital? Why you can't they go further?
As if say Nigerians don't know these ones. Nigerians don't say he build hospital finish, yet he get one small injury. After he carry himself, he fly himself, go abroad, go treat himself. Meanwhile, he build hospital. Now what they try to talk? We are saying the same thing. You and I are rubbing the same mind.
So as in get accident when they go to airport, you expect them to go back to Akwa Ibom. Akwa Ibom and Abuja, which one they closest
and
to
their
the
local flights.
Which local flight?
And their local flight.
Making come fly local flight, go back to Akwa Ibom. When he no, he get plan. He don't get plan to go abroad before. And let me talk my talk. If now you they talk this talk when I add something now, you go begin to complain. I say person build international and world class hospital. You can't begin to go on another this thing.
Continue.
No. You must apologize because
to who now?
No. You must apologize.
To who?
For taking talk come up from my
apologize
from my mouth. For me, so for taking talk come up from my mouth.
Which can talk with that? What do you mean? Apologize to what? We they talk about issue here. You tell me say we even talk not even serious. What I talk bad? Person build hospital. He can't say go abroad. Go treat himself abroad. Meanwhile build hospital. Now what talk? What do you mean apologize for it that?
But now what thing would they talk with that? Not be on that thing would they talk.
All join. You mention them where relate to what they talk about. Continue, Joe. Apologize. No ever times me apologize. No ever times me apologize for what you know say that true. I go find that issue where they hidden. I go bring out from where it is. Don't be something Nigerians do.
Now ministerial screening will they talk about? Don't they talk about hospital? Now health will they talk about? I say person be worst class hospital. Why you go?
First class hospital.
But why you not going to leave am for first class? Why you going to go further?
You mentioned hospital inside them. First class hospital. Means I can't continue from that hospital. Can't link up with that hospital. Say first class hospital. Can't carry yourself go hospital. Is this say hospital day for the two talk we talk? I mean no day. Right on.
You go mind yourself.
You go mind yourself. No ever time I mind myself.
Why you not go mind yourself on top of this show?
No ever time I mind myself.
If you dey talk, I dey
no ever time I mind myself.
Oh yeah, me bet. Me and you don't get that.
Oh yeah.
Bring your hand now.
No, certain. I just said this is how far my hand can go.
Which how far your hand? Which how far
you have a longer hand.
Which longer hand?
This is how far my hand
which
can go.
Which stretch am?
You stretch your.
Stretch am make you fall down.
You never stretch your.
No, stretch am make you fall down. Stretch am make you fall down.
You dey fear to.
Now you dey fear. See my hand is stretched.
See, my own is stretched as well.
Your own is not stretched. Stretch am where?
I'm not taking Farrell a Bluetooth connect them.
God no, if you know say you get mine not all this show. See my hand. You see you go slack your armpit now. You are in trouble.
You are in a bigger trouble.
Allow me finish my talk.
Go ahead.
Former governor of Akwa Ibom State, action governor, the man of transformation, when built world-class and international standard hospital. He talk yesterday for the House of Senate say even though he be governor, the time when he be governor of state, when we say we know say when it come to producing oil, they be number one. Say he no get access to petroleum minister.
For how long? No, he mentioned no. These are no. No, they relate to it. No. I just asked. I just chip him in. Not chip. For how long?
Why you go to chip in enter my talk now? We know they make I chip in enter your talk. Nigerians, everyone that they say now. On Monday when I be talk about the prayer, you say make I start from somewhere, make I not talk of security. Why you the only? What happen now? Allow me talk my talk finish. I say first class hospital. You say you get this thing. I say you know gree talk. You dey ask for it. Now you don't know say dates and facts and figure dey important abi. But if you dey talk your own, you go dey dodge am. Make I talk my talk the way when I want talk am because it's my talk. He talk say he no get access to petroleum minister. And everybody knows say the government when he serve under as governor, now government when they very, very open because their hand they open like this and everybody they participate for that government. Why he be say minister go come decide? If like say that minister even follow spoil the work of our former president because as me they look at if our president is an open man, when get open mind, no they look me like that.
For the first time in your life, for the first time on this program, you don't say no they talk to me before, but you don't talk one true where you say I hold. Thank you. Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Kubi.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
Oga Chukwudi, you see say I'm under attack here now.
No. You that is attacking Kubi on this particular one.
Thank you, Oga Chukwudi.
You see one thing, person built first class. He talked yesterday for Senate. He said he built first class hospital. Then he can't get small injury. Fly go abroad, go treat them. Who in build a hospital?
Go abroad before you might don't abroad already.
Which one they closer?
Who he build the hospital for? We go use them. If I go there now, if he go there, I don't get treatment. He go give us morale, say something that happened there.
But
that
he
one
already
aside.
dey road to abroad now.
For Nigeria,
No,
here.
no,
For
no.
Nigeria.
You see, Chukwudi, the thing is that if you tell us, say, this thing is good, this food is sweet, you go test them. Now you build them. Now you equip them. You use our money, build them.
Oh, no,
if you go there, go get treatment, we're going to say, yes, that place they work through. That one now for that one. Now for the ministerial screening, honestly, I know they're too happy with the manner and style the Senate are doing this job. You see, yesterday, if you watch yesterday's screening, the first two persons, like the proper drilling, like the proper screening. Other ones now, waiting and don't understand. Okay, take the likes of Ngige. When Ngige came into the Senate floor, he was more of joking and playing, and I don't understand what he's in there. At the end of the day, he was asked to bow and go. Even if not former senator, fine. As I said now, if you be my friend, and I want to employ you for work, where you go do for me, for my company, when you come for interview, friendship aside, I go give you the proper interview. You go answer me. Then after we go down and come back to our friendship, not be use friendship. Now they won't mess up the proper thing. That's now ministerial appointment. They need to ask some questions. They need to ask some questions, make him talk. Not be to come there, they tell them, say, he get colleagues, he form PDP, he form APC, all of them come, he get so many friends. Is that in screening? So Senate should sit up this time around and ask them pertinent question that is needed of their assignment and not making it look as if he's a child's play. Thank you very much and God bless.
Thank you very much, Oga Chukwudi. Yeah, because I also saw that I see the screening. Now me and you they listen to.
Not be me and you. Not be me and you.
Why are you denying me at this point?
Not denying you at this point.
I listened to the screening of Oga yesterday, and waiting Oga Chukwudi talk. They right say he just come they say he dey play with members of the Senate and questions and anyway, make we collect this call from Oga Muhammad. Oga Muhammad all the way from Yola. Good morning. Muhammad, good morning. Oga Mohammed, you dey there?
Why he go answer you? Why he go answer you? When if we talk go this place, you go carry talk come this side.
Well, Oga Chukwudi.
Wetin we plan say we go talk today? Say make we look ministerial screening. Make we look how our ministers dem we fit hold them.
Oga Chukwudi no address ministerial screening.
No be when no be after you don go already go open on that road. When I wan mention wetin somebody talk, you don already dey talk say he build hospital. Na wetin we plan to discuss
If you
this.
mention say Oga Godswill Akpabio, Senator of the Federal Republic, I go understand. But you went as far as saying first way build first class hospital.
He no build am.
And I can't pick him up from there.
Why you go pick am? No be my talk. Why you go pick my talk? Is it your talk?
Learn more. Okurumuka Ojo. Ṣé I don't talk bad thing?
Which one be you talk bad thing?
Okurumuka Ojo Nigerians. Ṣé mo ti sọ̀rọ̀ tó burú ni?
No dey talk language wey be like say you dey curse person o. Which one be Okuruka Ojo? Which one be Okuruka Ojo?
Even your language sef you no fit speak. Oga Chijoke, talk to us. Good morning.
All right.
Good morning, Chijoke.
Yeah, good day.
Good day.
Okay.
Abeg, bring down the volume of your TV, abeg.
All right, I'll do that. I just want to, hello, I want to thank you now for the program that they do so far.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Hello?
We dey hear, we dey hear.
Continue.
Okay, so about the ministerial screening, you know, say Nigerians, we get talent very well. Our problem will be whether those people go fit answer questions. Nigerians, they're very good when it comes to idea and analyzing. But the problem is, say, when you don't enter that post, when you can't see waiting there, you go see, say, no be just grammar. No be waiting you think, say, you know. Look, we take our comrade governor, Oshomole, for example. All of us know how the guy, the Allah, the begin when in day for union. But when he enter government, he can't see, say, waiting in the see for outside, not waiting in the see for inside. So my advice will say, whether we ask them 1 million questions, now when they enter there, now we go know whether they go perform. So my prayer be say, when they reach there, if they no see waiting, they go see. Like our Oga Presido, we enter, say, he no go tolerate anything. When he reach there, he can't see, say, he no go fit survive without politicians. So make we just dey pray, make this time, when they enter there, when they see waiting, they go see, may they feel perform. That's my own small contribution.
Thank you very, very much for your contribution.
People when their name they start with C, their contribution they different. Chukwudi C, Chijoke C, Chris C, You don't see him. See. You can see from his contribution, say, people eye they open. You know they see him?
There's no point responding to this talk where you just dey talk now. Because Oga Kunle, they call us from Kaduna. His name start from K, and he go talk well. Good morning, Oga Kunle.
You see him?
Hey, Oga Kunle, why did
see
you
am?
do this to me?
Why did you do it to him?
Why
When
have
he
you
did it
done
to
this
you?
to me? When I don't give you a praise and say your name start with K,
Which K?
at least
What about people where their names start with N? Nkubi.
you don't do you.
Nto.
Not just bring N into this matter. Respect yourself. Respect yourself. Respect yourself. Respect yourself. How many times I
And
tell
now
you
us go break. Which one be respect yourself? Respect yourself.
no go break when they come.
Nkubi N. Nto.
If una know say una just enjoy the video, they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.